The idea that the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has spotted terrifying urban lights on Proxima B, the closest known exoplanet to Earth, orbiting Proxima Centauri about 4.24 light-years away, sounds like a thrilling headline ripped from a sci-fi blockbuster. But let's unpack this with a clear head and see what's really going on as of February 27, 2025. First off, Proxima B is a fascinating world. Discovered in 2016, it's a rocky exoplanet roughly 1.3 times Earth's mass, sitting in the habitable zone of its red dwarf star, where liquid water could theoretically exist. That makes it a prime target for speculation about life. The JWST, with its incredible infrared vision, has been studying exoplanets like Proxima B to learn more about their atmospheres and surfaces. But has it actually detected urban lights, implying artificial illumination from a civilization? Let's dig in. As of my last full update in October 2023, no peer-reviewed JWST data showed artificial lights on Proxima B. The telescope can detect faint infrared signals, like heat from a planet's surface or atmospheric gases, but spotting city lights is a whole different game. A 2021 study by Elisa Tabor and Avi Loeb, AR14, 2105.08081, explored whether JWST could theoretically detect artificial illumination on Proxima B's night side, assuming it's tidally locked with a permanent dark side. They concluded JWST might pick up LED-like lights if they were insanely bright, 5% of the star's power, and the signal was super narrow in frequency. Earth's own artificial light output? Way too dim, about 0.0001% of the sun's power, so we wouldn't even register under those conditions. Fast forward to 2025, claims of terrifying urban lights have popped up online, often tied to sensational blogs or videos rather than scientific journals. Some posts on X and sites like cyannature.com, e.g., a February 15, 2025, article, Hype JWST detecting organized light patterns on Proxima B, hinting at alien cities. But here's the catch, no official NASA statement or peer-reviewed paper backs this up as of my knowledge base. JWST has made stunning finds, like methane and CO2 on exoplanet K2-18b or weirdly massive early galaxies, but urban lights on Proxima B isn't on the list. What could explain this buzz? Maybe a misreading of real data. JWST could detect natural phenomena, like auroras from Proxima Centauri's flares interacting with an atmosphere, if Proxima B has one, and someone stretched that into city lights. Red dwarfs are flare-happy, so auroras aren't crazy. Or it's theoretical hype gone wild. Loeb's work shows JWST could spot artificial lights under perfect conditions, but that's not the same as it did. Another possibility? Straight-up exaggeration for clicks, no data, just a good story. Why terrifying? The word's a red flag, science doesn't emote like that. It's likely a hook to grab attention, suggesting alien tech could be awe-inspiring or threatening. But without hard evidence, like a light curve showing unmistakable artificial signatures, it's speculation, not fact. If this claim's fresh from early 2025, I'd need a specific source, like a NASA release or journal article, to confirm. Absent that, it's likely a remix of older theories or unverified chatter. Scientists would need to rule out natural causes, volcanism, stellar reflection, instrument noise, before crying civilization. And JWST's actual mission? It's more about atmospheric chemistry than hunting alien streetlights. So, has JWST spotted terrifying urban lights on Proxima B? Based on everything I've got, probably not. It's a leap beyond the data. But it's a hell of a thought. What sparked your interest in this? Got a specific article or clip in mind? I can zoom in if you've got more to share. What's Proxima B? Proxima B is an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, just 4.24 light-years away. Found in 2016, it's a rocky world, a bit bigger than Earth, about 1.3 times its mass, and sits in the habitable zone, the sweet spot where temperatures might allow liquid water. That's why people get excited, water could mean life. But it orbits a red dwarf star, which is smaller, cooler, and prone to blasting flares that might fry any atmosphere or life unless the planet's got a strong magnetic shield. What's the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST? JWST is a cutting-edge telescope launched in 2021, built to see in infrared, perfect for peering through cosmic dust and studying distant objects like exoplanets. It can analyze light from a planet's atmosphere, e.g., spotting gases like methane, or measure heat from its surface. Scientists hoped it could study Proxima B to see if it's got air, water vapor, or even signs of habitability. The claim, urban lights? Urban lights means artificial illumination, like city lights on Earth, but on Proxima B. That would scream alien civilization. The word terrifying adds drama, implying something spooky or mind-blowing. The claim suggests JWST saw organized light patterns on Proxima B's surface, hinting at technology, not nature. Could JWST see city lights? Here's the science. Theoretical possibility. A 2021 paper by Elisa Tabor and Avi Loeb, a Harvard astronomer, asked if JWST could detect artificial lights on Proxima B. They figured if the planet's tidally locked, one side always dark, facing away from its star, bright artificial lights, like superpowered LEDs, might show up in infrared. But it'd need to be insanely intense, about 5% of Proxima Centauri's total energy output, focused in a narrow wavelength. For comparison, Earth's lights are a tiny flicker, 0.0001% of the Sun's power. JWST's limits. JWST can detect faint infrared signals, but it's not a light bulb detector. It's better at broad heat signatures or gas absorption lines than pinpointing a grid of alien streetlights. What JWST has actually done. By February 2025, JWST has studied exoplanets, but nothing confirms urban lights on Proxima B. Real findings: it's nailed atmospheric data, like methane and CO2 on K2-18b, a farther-off planet. For Proxima B, it's likely taken spectra, light breakdowns, to check for gases, but no public data shows artificial signals. No official word, NASA, the JWST team, or peer-reviewed journals haven't announced urban lights. Claims come from blogs or X posts, like a cyannature.com piece dated February 15, 2025, lacking raw data or citations. Where'd this come from? Here's what might have happened. Misinterpreted data. JWST might have seen infrared glow on Proxima B, like heat from volcanoes or auroras caused by stellar flares. Someone could have spun that into lights. Red dwarfs flare a lot, so auroras aren't nuts. Theory gone wild. Loeb's paper showed JWST could spot lights in theory. A headline might have turned could into did. Pure hype. Clickbait sites love aliens. Terrifying urban lights sounds scarier and cooler than maybe heat signatures. Why I doubt it. No evidence, as of my last update, October 2023, and what's likely by early 2025, no JWST paper says artificial lights. Big claims need big proof, light curves or spectra showing unnatural patterns, and we don't have that. Natural explanations: glow could be lava, reflected starlight, or instrument glitches. Scientists check those first. Terrifying smells fishy. Science doesn't use loaded words like that. It's a red flag for sensationalism. What if it's new? If JWST really found this in early 2025, like a breakthrough after my cutoff, I'd need a source, e.g., a NASA presser or Nature article. Without it, it's probably exaggerated chatter. Real detection of alien tech would. Proxima B, the star of the show. Proxima B orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf in the Alpha Centauri system, our closest stellar neighbor at 4.24 light-years. Discovered via the radial velocity method, watching the star wobble from planetary pole, it's a rocky world, estimated at 1.07 to 1.3 Earth masses. Its orbit takes 11.2 days, and it's in the habitable zone, about 5 cents from its star, where it gets roughly Earth-like sunlight, 65 to 85% of what we get. But red dwarfs are tricky. Flares. Proxima Centauri spits out X-ray flares 10 times stronger than the Sun's, potentially stripping atmospheres unless Proxima B has a beefy magnetic field. Tidal locking. It's likely tidally locked. One side always faces the star, hot, lit, the other's dark and cold. This sets up a wild contrast, a dayside desert, a nightside icebox, maybe a habitable twilight strip between. Life there? Possible, but it's a long shot. Atmosphere or not, it's a harsh spot. JWST's exoplanet game. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its 6.5-meter golden mirror and infrared toolkit, NIRCam, MIRI, etc., is built for deep space snooping. For exoplanets, it uses transit spectroscopy. When a planet crosses its star, starlight filters through its atmosphere, revealing gases, e.g., water, methane. Direct imaging. For some planets, it can snap blurry pics or heat maps. Phase curves. Tracking light as a planet orbits, showing day-night shifts. Proxima B doesn't transit, its orbit's tilted wrong from our view, so JWST relies on direct imaging or phase curves, tougher methods needing pristine data. It's probably studied Proxima B by now, given its fame, but results are slow to publish fully. Urban lights. What would it take? Urban lights means artificial sources, think alien cities glowing like New York at night. On Earth, our lights, street lamps, buildings, emit visible and infrared energy, but it's faint compared to sunlight. Could JWST catch something similar on Proxima B? Brightness. A 2021 study, Tabor and Loeb, says JWST could detect artificial lights if they're 5% of Proxima Centauri's output, 10 to the power of 24 watts, way more than Earth's 10 to the power of 11 watts. That's a civilization pumping out insane energy, maybe fusion-powered megacities. Signal. Lights would need a distinct fingerprint, narrow wavelengths, like LEDs at 500 nanometers, versus broad natural glow, volcanoes, starlight. JWST's MIRI could spot this if the contrast is stark. Nightside. If tidally locked, Proxima B's dark side is the spot to look, no starlight to drown out faint signals. Earth's lights wouldn't cut it, too dim, too scattered. An alien setup would need to be orders of magnitude brighter. What JWST might have seen by 2025. By February 27, 2025, JWST's exoplanet haul is growing. K2-18b, methane and CO2 detected, hints of oceans, maybe life, 2023. TRAPPIST-1, mixed results, some planets bare, others with thin air. Proxima B, likely targeted, but no public lights data. A 2023 press release said JWST was scheduled to observe it, but results might still be in analysis. If JWST saw infrared on Proxima B's night side, possibilities include natural, volcanic hotspots, like Io's lava, auroras from flares, or reflected starlight off ice. Artificial, organized light patterns, say, a grid, unlike random nature. But distinguishing them? Brutal. Noise from the star, dust, or JWST's own limits could blur it. The terrifying hype. The claim's wording, terrifying urban lights, screams sensationalism. Here's why it's fishy. Source check, X posts and sites like cyannature.com, February 15, 2025, push this, but no NASA, ESA, or astrophysical journal backing. Real science drops via AR-14 or press conferences first. Language, terrifying isn't scientific, it's emotional bait. Alien lights might be awe-inspiring, not scary, unless they're signaling incoming. Pattern, past JWST discoveries, e.g., alien megastructure clickbait, often twist theoretical papers or early data into wild tales. Could it be real? Let's play what if. Breakthrough, say JWST caught a 2024 phase curve of Proxima B showing a night-side glow spiking at 2 microns, too sharp for volcanoes, too steady for flares. A paper drops January 2025, scientists debate artificial. That's plausible timing. Counter, flares are frequent, 10% of red dwarf lights in X-rays. auroras could mimic lights. Plus, no civilizations confirmed with less than a pixel's worth of data. Proxima B's a dot at 4 light-years. Odds lean natural until proven otherwise. Occam's razor. Why it's probably bunk. No buzz. A real find would dominate headlines. SETI, CNN, not just fringe blogs. Silence from pros is deafening. Tech gap. JWST's not optimized for this. Future scopes. Louvre, 2030s. Might, but we're not there. History. Similar claims, e.g., Tabby's star alien structure, fizzled into dust explanations. The fun part. Imagine it's true, alien cities on Proxima B, lit up like a cosmic Vegas. What's terrifying? Their tech outstrips ours? They're watching us. It's a story begging for a movie. But science says hold off, no smoking gun yet. What's driving your curiosity here? The alien angle? JWST's power? If you've got a specific post or date, I'll laser in. Otherwise, it's a tantalizing maybe, not a yes. Thoughts?